Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a speed clean with me. This is a new house and I've never done a official clean with me in the new house. So I'm super excited to do this video for you guys. I hope that this is some motivation for you to get up, clean your space, alright? Reset your home, alright? And really just show the Lord that you appreciate what He has blessed you with. Amen? Amen. So if you enjoy this video, if it gives you any motivation whatsoever, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel, because that is the best way you can support what I'm doing over here. So let's get into it. So that is the gist of my cleaning for today. I cleaned up my bathroom, I mopped and swept my bedroom floors, and that's just a little cleaning. I'm going to do the rest of the cleaning of my house off camera because it's just a lot, and I'm also a mama, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this video motivated you to get up and clean your space, whether it's big or small, whether it's a house, an apartment, a car, an RV, whatever it may be. I hope that this video motivated you to get up and clean your space, because if your space is clean, your mindset is going to be clean. and you're just gonna feel good overall. I promise you. If you're down in the dumps, if you're depressed, if you're not feeling good, get up and clean your space. Okay, that is the first step to feeling better. Clean your space. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please consider subscribing to the channel, because that is the best way you can support my channel. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video, besties. Bye.